A dream interpretation dictionary is only moderately helpful. I actually don't recommend using them at all for the most part. More important is for you to figure out your own dream language, dream dictionary, because symbols that mean something to me can mean something very different to you. And dreams are personal, customized messages for you. Your dream is like a movie, custom from your soul, from your subconscious, giving you information. Your spirit guides can talk to you there. You can receive really helpful information about how your manifesting is going, what's happening in your life. So rather than use a dream dictionary, here's what I want you to start doing. Start paying attention to what is happening in your life and writing down your dreams. And start to notice the common repeating signs and symbols. Now again, if I dream of a dog running in the fields with me, a dream interpretation dictionary would give the same type of meaning, whether I'm a dog trainer for a career or whether I am profoundly afraid of dogs. And it might even say the same thing if the dog is chasing me versus if I'm running with the dog or training the dog. This is why it's so personal and it's specifically for you. So tonight, before you go to sleep, I want you to ask yourself, to tell yourself before you go to sleep, I'm going to remember my dreams tonight and make a point over the next 1 week, 2 weeks, to every night before you go to sleep, tell yourself you're going to remember your dreams and start writing them down, whatever you can remember, as soon as you wake up. This is the first step into creating your own dream language.